Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a TikTok account. So maybe you want to start using TikTok, but you don't know how to make an account, or it's just not working for you. I'll show you guys exactly how to make an account on TikTok in this video today. So first things first though, you're going to have to download TikTok. As you can see, I already have it downloaded, but if you don't have it downloaded, you can head over to the App Store or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. And once you head into the store, you're going to go to the search bar and search for TikTok. So it's just TikTok, and once you search for it, it should be the first option that shows up. It might be underneath add, but once you find it, just click on it. As you can see, I need to update it, but it should say like install on your phone. So just click on install and then download it. It's completely free. You don't have to pay anything. Just download it. And it is a bit of a bigger app. It's about 340 megabytes, I think. Let me check real quick. Yes, 345 about. So it might take a little bit if your internet's slower, but it shouldn't take that long at all. So I'm updating it right now. But you just head back to your home screen, and then once it's done updating or downloading, you can just head right into the app. If you can't find it on your home screen, you can search for it in your search bar and just search for TikTok and you'll be able to find it. Once you go into the TikTok app, you'll be brought to this page right here. On this page, you should say log into TikTok, and there will be a couple options that you can do to actually create an account. The first option, which I suggest, is using either the continue with Google option or continue with Apple option. Those are your two best options that you can use to make an account. It makes it super easy, and all you have to do is click on it. It'll ask you if you want to continue to Google. You just click on continue, and it'll bring you to Google, and you can use your Google account to just log in just like that. Now, if you don't want to use Google, you can also use Apple. This is really easy as well. You just click on continue. Once you click on continue with TikTok, and then you'll be able to make an account just like that with your iCloud. Now, if you don't want to use either of those, you can also use continue with Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. I don't suggest using any of those though. So if you just want to make it with an email account or a phone number, just click on the sign up button on the bottom of your screen right now. It should be in red. And once you click on it, it'll bring you to this page right here that says sign up for TikTok. On this page, you're just going to want to click on use phone or email. It's the big red buttons. And once you click on that, it'll ask you for when's your birthday. Just put in your birthday. You don't actually have to put in your actual birthday, but you can. And you'll be brought to this page here. Here you can either use your phone number by clicking on phone in the top left, or you can use your email by clicking on email in the top right. So I'll be using an email, but it works the exact same for phone. So just put in your email right here and then click on next on that red button. Once you click on next, it'll load for a bit and then it'll bring you to this page to create your password. So here you just put in whatever you want your password to be. So I'll just put in a ton of random numbers. You can put in a really long one and then save it so that you don't forget it, or you can just put in your usual password for your other accounts on different apps. But once you do that, just click on next, and you don't have to confirm the password or anything like that, but you have to create a nickname. So just put in whatever you want your nickname to be. So just put in whatever you want and then click on confirm. You can change your nickname and your username later, so it doesn't really matter what you put in. And there you go. You have your TikTok account created. If you click on your profile in the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be brought to this page here, and here you can edit your profile and change your username or nickname, or your name or username, as you can see here. But this is how you make a TikTok account on TikTok. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I will see you guys next time.